Okay?
Yeah.
Hi guys, this is Eric and Riza's vlog again for another episode or for another unboxing episode. For today, we are going to unbox
The HD action camera with Wi-Fi.
with Wi-Fi
Picked
Okay.
by Explorer One.
from Explore One.
Yeah.
Like Explore One. Okay, so we say the company because we actually bought at least two other
Action cameras.
action camera, and it's so hard to put together. I can't even remember which camera are those,
No,
but we
I think one was we bought, but the SD card got trapped inside.
something like that, and one is like it's so hard to put together. And again, this is for people that want to have or wish to have that sports camera benefit
Yeah. And
without paying, babe, without
Yeah.
paying the amount of a GoPro.
yes.
Because
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is the
So,
GoPro version,
but
the
cheaper.
the cheaper version, the
Of a
cheaper
GoPro.
of a GoPro. So because our family, we like to go, beach and water
Water
parks,
parks, yeah.
things like that. But we don't really think that we need to spend like the $300, $350 for GoPro for just that activities. Because really, like anywhere you go, you can actually use your phone or your tablet to take pictures. Other than those activities that, like we said, like in the middle of, like in the beach, where you're so scared that your phone might fall in the water. Or Eric and Ethan love to go to like long slides and things like that, and like you don't want to get wet. Like, I mean, I don't want to get wet, so I don't follow them. So nobody's really taking that picture with them. So then we decided that, you know what, let's try to buy this
Action camera, yeah.
cheap version of the GoPro, and that's why we decided to buy this. So again, I think we bought this for $39.99.
About that, yeah.
Yeah,
And,
$39.99 from
basically, this is like a hands-free. You can attach it to your helmet or another
you can attach it to I
Yeah.
guess to anywhere.
to anywhere.
Because
Yeah.
you don't wear helmet in the
Water slide or something. Yeah.
yeah. Okay. And then another thing, this is the thing that I like about it. I really like about it is because of this. It's with Wi-Fi.
Yes. Right.
So let's see how it works. I mean, I hope that this is with Wi-Fi, that you can just transfer it through Wi-Fi to your computer or to your cell phone or something like that. So, and then it also come with, okay, this in the picture it comes with all of those things.
Tripod and camera, SD.
Okay, so but we should just
card.
you should just unbox it.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So here.
I think the front.
Okay.
So comes with the tripod here.
Okay.
It's very flexible. You can bend it. So it looks like octopus.
Okay. And then it comes with a strap.
Yeah, it comes with a strap. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay.
Okay. So
straps here.
two strap,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, and it's waterproof.
Oh, and it's adhesive strap.
Oh, and then a adhesive strap.
Yeah, adhesive strap. Okay. And then that's the USB.
So yeah, this
Yes,
is the cord.
the cord.
USB cord.
But I thought it's Wi-Fi.
Yeah, it's Wi-Fi, so maybe I think it's Wi-Fi because there's
Yeah, it said built-in Wi-Fi makes it easy to transfer images and interact with your camera using your smart device.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, tutay now. Okay, so we'll this. So I guess this is if your Wi-Fi doesn't work. that's why it comes with a USB, which is cool.
Okay,
Oh, so much
comes with
accessories.
a lot of different parts here. Two little pieces here.
Okay, so
That's for
it should come with pole mount on frame mount. So I'm not sure which is that. So this is the pole mount.
yeah, those flat
two.
things are full mount.
And then,
Yeah.
and then this one is the frame mount.
Oh, this is the long thumb screw and quick release buckle. It's a buckle.
Really?
Yeah, this
Okay.
I think.
And then the
No,
short
this
thumb
is
screw.
sorry. This is a buckle. Yeah, they all look pretty similar. So.
And this is
Basically.
the frame mount. This is the so it comes with all of this small things. Okay, and then that's all small stuff.
Straps. Okay.
Here, I can show all of that. And then this is the camera itself, which is enclosed by the waterproof by Pep.
Oh, here, and it's 100 feet. You can go under with the waterproof case, as it says on the box.
Okay, so but I was saying this is the camera itself, right? And it enclosed with, I don't know how to open that.
Okay, so it's different. This one, unlock. There we go. Okay, so there was a little arrow there that I just pulled, and then it unlocked itself.
Okay, so this is the waterproof case.
Yeah.
That the camera is in, and then this is the camera itself. How cute is that? Oh my God, that's so cute.
Mini camera.
Yeah, it's a mini camera. So that's the camera itself. I think this is actually better than the, like the other one that we bought. Okay, and then it also come with paper is the SD
card. Oh, I didn't remove that. It's in the front.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, from the back?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it comes with an SD. How many is that?
So it comes with an adapter for the SD and a mini SD
Oh,
card.
8 gigabytes.
Of 8 gigs.
8 gigabytes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, so that's all. That all really comes in the box. So like all of this.
Oh, this
All
is
of
the
the
adapter,
stuff.
so you don't need to put that's just for your computer. Okay, so that's
I think
this
here.
way. Uh-oh, it's stuck. Okay, no.
Maybe not in there.
I'm scared to put it all the way in, so maybe.
Yeah, it is there.
Other way.
Okay.
Okay.
There you go.
I hope so. Okay.
Okay.
I hope that's the correct way. Okay.
Can you turn it on? Okay,
there we
so unfortunately we can't show you guys how to really use it, right?
Right.
Because we're not going somewhere that outdoor seas like this this time. Maybe we can show the review of this product once once we use it,
Yeah.
right? So for now, it's really just for the unboxing, and then maybe we can try to use it for, I don't know, like this winter for the tobogganing.
Yeah.
Right? It's a great tool also to use it things like that,
skiing or
and stuff like that, since
snowboarding,
it's already snowy. But as I said, we cannot show it to you guys right now, so this is just for the unboxing. So I hope you guys like it, and I guess it's too bad that we can show you if this product is good or not,
but we'll be back.
we'll be back for the review. And again, this, if you guys wanna check it out, so this is from Explore One. Thank you guys so much, and thank you for watching our videos, and see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Guys, I would like to add that this camera, it said on the back that you can use it to do vlogging. So I guess if you I really don't know.
For vlogging, yeah, create a blog.
Yeah, no,
So-
it's to create a vlog.
Yeah,
So meaning, I guess because of the stand.
yeah. That
And
we can-
you know what? Maybe next time that we do a vlog, we'll use this one, and let's see.